this isn't chicken hearts, is it? It's just
Just cassava hearts. It's like upgraded hummus.
it's upgraded hummus.
Yeah, because they are.
Only the best is upgraded hummus. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is much better than Canada hummus. And here it's hummus. It's not hummus.